to make Austin the best place in America to be a kid.
Well, while the child population in Austin shrinks, the mayor and the city are pushing a new initiative, GenATX. Good evening, I'm Daniel Mudding.
And I'm Jennifer Sanders. That initiative's goal is to coordinate efforts across the city to improve children's well-being. KXAN's Kevin Bosker dives into the program and explains why experts say it's needed.
Healthy kids, safe kids, and happy and successful kids. These are the pillars Generation ATX is set out to achieve.
The aspirational goal is to be the best place in America to be a kid. Out of that, we will solve a whole lot of issues and problems that we need to face.
Mayor Kirk Watson says the future is dependent on kids, and up until this point, efforts to support them have been unorganized.
There are more than 300 youth-serving organizations in Greater Austin, alongside 128 school programs housed over 100 AISD campuses. Despite that abundance, the city lacks a unified framework to align these efforts.
Andy Miller with Austin Child Guidance helps bring mental health services to children in need. Miller says the challenge is to bring resources equally to everyone, despite how much money they have.
Austin is a very expensive place to live. You know, after school programs are very expensive. Childcare is very expensive.
According to United Way Greater Austin, 1 in 4 children under 6 in Austin live in households with low income. That's more than 41,000 kids.
The more that we can invest in equity-based programs that allow children across our entire community to participate in high-quality programs, access to mental health resources, resources that provide support for the whole family, we know those kids are going to have better outcomes.
I think the future of Austin will be dependent upon how we treat our kids and how our kids see this city.
Kevin Bosker, KXAN News.
And when asked how the program will measure and record success, Mayor Watson said the city will provide a public tool. It's called the Austin Kids Scorecard. The tool will track children's health, safety, and happiness across the city and then identify gaps in service.
Earlier this month, Travis County announced 2 contracts totaling $21 million for child care scholarships and GAP funding. The GAP funding, which will help providers meet the need of providing affordable child care, will start being paid next month. And then the funding for child care scholarships, which the county says will create 1,000 new child care slots, that's going to be available in January. County leaders also announced newly appointed members of the Community Advisory Council to help guide future investments. And they're going to include parents, child care providers, policy experts, and community leaders.